Sup YouTubians, Ashcation here again. So today's vlog is a little bit about my, so far I'm going on one of my resolutions this year for a new year. It's studying. I've been working on my tech project, and I've made a revelation recently that this is due in the 30th of March, and it is now like the 6th of January. And in 2 weeks I have my mocks, and they're going to take up 2 weeks of February. So all in all, if you take any amount of time, it's going to be missed and whatever. I have 8 weeks to do this project, like to build it, because the write-up I can do at home and stuff like that, but the actual building of it is going to be 8 weeks, and even then that's only 3 times a week, so that's like 24 classes I have left to build this in. That's scary because I have some kinks to work out in it. Like 24 classes to build my robotic arm. Can you see that? Yeah, these aren't even proper dimensions because I just made them up because I had to make up this whole project. So I don't have any plan, blueprint to work off of. I have nothing. Like, I started this last night. This is, you have to have kind of like a storyboard kind of thing of ideas that you came up with. And I started these off. These are ideas that I started to come up with at the beginning of it. And some of the ideas, I had like 20 ideas. I've only done like 13 of them out because the rest of them seem stupid now in hindsight. But I guess I'm going to have to put them down. But like, I got as far as this one here and I was like, no, I'm going to bed. Like, I've got a whole folder here. I love this folder. Look at this. Check this out. Life is not a test. I know, how awesome. But yeah, I've got this whole folder. There's my brief. And all this stuff that I have to actually expand on and do actually type it up. And this is all research and brainstorming and drawing and coming up with ideas. And that's my work breakdown structure. It's just not so good. And then I got more research and paper, and this is my pretty drawing of an arm. Can you see it? I drew that because I had to look at the muscles in the arm. As you can see here, the band is going to go around the bicep. When the person tenses their arm, it's going to close the gripper at the other end, and when they tense it again, it's going to open up. Yeah, so I have 8 weeks to build this arm, and it sucks. Hell, I don't even know what way my circuit's gonna be like. It's like, so far, this is the circuit I made up. Okay, I went into DIT Kevin Street, which is pretty awesome, with one of the professors there. I got in contact with him and he agreed to meet up with me and bring me in and show me some things. So I've got just a basic servo motor, and then this is a doorbell that they made into just a switch. And then my power supply is actually going to be a DC phone charger that was stripped down, but I'm not plugging that in because it's not working and the servo overheats. And then I've got a PIC chip in here. It's a PIC 30F 4011. So basically I just have it connected up so as I've got an LDR here, and as you can see, the LED here. So basically, when I cover over the LED, or the when I cover over the LDR and I let go, the servo will turn 90 degrees, and then when I do it again, it will rotate back back to the original position, so back 90 degrees. The only issue I'm having actually getting working, because I could give you a demonstration of it. Oh yeah, this is Plan B. Plan A is to use a sensor to trigger it. So the whole idea of the LDR is I was going to get some, say, like piezoelectric fabric, put it around the arm, and then when they tensed it, that would change the resistance, and then I would use that change in resistance to move the motor, as I do in this circuit. But I can't find any form of sensor to go on the arm besides piezoelectric fabric, but that's not available anywhere. And strain gauges are a little bit more difficult. They're more of a stable, fixed measurement. This is Plan B. At the moment this is a big switch, but a micro switch is what that could end up being. So when I hit it, turns, hit it again, turns. So that's that. But the problem I'm having is I could give you a demonstration of how this works. If you, you can have a look at it. I could give you a demonstration of how this all works, but the chip, the power, the servo uses the DC power, but the chip is powered by the computer. So like when you put it into the computer, it's done by USB. And this is what I was given, but I can't find the software because I had to open with. So it was the code that was written for it was C++, which I don't quite know how to do. I was given a crash course of 2 hours in it for writing this chip alongside the professor. He was writing the code, but he was showing me how to do it and explaining it to me so I'd understand it. Like, but he saved the stuff on my USB key, but now I can't access it because I don't have that program. So pretty good stuff. So if anybody knows, it's MP Lab, pick stuff. If anybody could help me out for programming a PIC 30F 4011, I would much appreciate it. Yeah, so this project's gonna kill me in the next couple of weeks. So, fun! Alright guys, talk to you later. Take care. Bye. Share, subscribe, like, thumbs up, comment. Help me. Alright, bye guys.